want to start with Pastor Silk and Purple, who is also wearing purple today. Please, what's the takeaway for you?
Yeah, there was a statement along the way that says people buy solutions, not prizes. And that to me is huge.
Yeah.
Because most of the time, the reason why people are patronizing you is because they have a problem that they want solved.
Yeah.
So, and you discover that as long as you can solve the problem, most of the time the prices doesn't really matter. And when people want to fight or when they want to have an edge at times in the marketplace, is the pricing that determines most of the time.
Yes.
But today it was nice to know that it's not just about pricing. There are some things that you can do that will keep your customers coming back to you aside that price. So pricing is never enough to retain a customer. But if you are able to touch that pain point that they're experiencing, then the probability is high that you keep getting a repeat customer.
Yeah.
That for me is quite.
Yeah, I agree. But then I think the balance of that will be the caliber of clients
that you serve.
Yes, will determine whether they can afford. So pricing does matter because if you are solving a fantastic problem and the price is too high for certain people who need it.
Now they are talking about who gets more. So if I'm able to have a good price and in addition
you are solving that problem, then you're a winner. You're a winner. All right, Mama.
It's just don't be a greedy person. Learn to solve problems. That's the bottom line. To simplify it, because once in a while, when pastor preaches, you have to ask yourself, do I understand the grammar of English? It's just be a problem solver.
Yeah.
Run into the problem. Don't
run away from it.
And saying it, you'd ask yourself, does it make sense? But people have come to tell us that running to the problem actually makes you money.
Yeah.
And running away from the problem. So we should learn to look for problems. Be a problem hunter.
Hey.
Be a problem
hunter. That problem that will not leave you, and that's what I really like. The one that will not leave you. The one. Last month we were looking at alignment. And that the alignment thing scares the life out of me because, like Pastor always say, not that you now build a success ladder and then you built it against the wrong wall. So yes, please look for problems to solve, but not the kind of problems that you have been called to solve.
It's not
all problems. There are some. There are some that will not leave you. I think that's the key. The ones that will not leave you. You can't. You wake up in the morning. That's the problem. You sleep at night. That's the problem. You want to eat. The thing is there. I think those are the problems that you know that you have been actually assigned to call. Then there is grace to go and solve those problems.
We talked about our general belief that when people pray, they are like, deliver us from problems. Don't let me experience problem. Meanwhile, all those things are a pointer to what we should be doing. And when we do it, God will use it to bless us. When they now gave us this Philippians 2:4, which says, not looking to your own interests, but each of you to the interest of others. That means we're supposed to be solving problems. When you allow your own problem to hold you, you end up not doing anything. But we are actually caught out in life. This is a commandment. We should look out for the interest of others. We should be about solving
other people's problems.
It is as we do this on the go that the blessings come. So rather than not focus on how to make money, focus on solving problems and see if you will not get the result.
I realize that many of the problems I have ended up having to solve for other people are problems I actually went through myself. So that scripture for me of the same comfort you have received, comfort others, is real for me. Real. Because when you've gone through it and you've come out of it, you know how to feel, and then when you can make money from it, it's even better. It's say, wow.
You know, I guess our mentality is the way we've seen problems. We attach negativity.
Yes.
It looks like
So-
evil.
You bind it.
I don't want this
If I want allow
because we have been programmed to attach
Yeah.
negativity
to problems, yeah.
In actual fact, there are no negativities to be attached to it. But because we have been programmed and wired like that, so now we have to sit down and decompress, decongest, everything,
Unlearn the
And you learn and get the new operating system
exactly.
to solve problems.
begin to see things in another light.
Ooh, wow, the operating system to solve problems. That's the operating system that we,
And we see God's reaction
yeah.
in the beginning.
God,
Everything-
yeah.
the
Everything was
first
in
thing
chaos.
he did
Everything was problematic.
He solved
He solved every single problem.
Yes.
So there were different layers of problem,
But he
and he
solved
solved each and every one of them. There was later of chaos and darkness. He said light. He solved that problem. There's no vegetation. Vegetation. There's no water. There's no life. He added. There's no.
So he's
There-
showing us what we should
There's nobody to tend everything.
Yeah.
Man, say low, woman.
Woman.
So he solved every problem, and that's the DNA we carry. That's the operating system that we're meant to run by. Awesome. Please go back and listen. I'm definitely going back to listen again. Go back and listen to this service, because this operating system is what you need to run. And then realize that the more you solve problem, like I think it's my mother that says, money is a reward for problem solved.
Yeah.
So ask God for money. I stopped asking God for money. No, seriously. I stopped asking God for money.
Because he has already set up.
Yes, I started praying the scripture, certain scriptures. I have them all over my wall, certain scriptures. But there was one particular scripture that really lit up for me, and that was power to make wealth. So I'm not asking you for money. I'm asking you to the opportunities to make the wealth, and that also means me solving problems.
Yes.
All right, please go back and listen. We need to get back into service where we're looking at stewardship of assignments. Pastor Francis will not kill us. Stewardship of assignment. So please just join us. We'll be back after the network service to review, reflect, and share what we have enjoyed from the service. So stay blessed. We'll see you in a few minutes or in a few hours. Bye.